What's going on YouTube? Got my 19 Accord here at the shop. Basically, I'm a technician here, master technician in Honda. And I got my 19 Accord inside the shop. For rattle, when it comes to about 50,000 RPM, there's a slight rattle coming from the heater box. That means there's not a recall or a service bulletin, but I've called the tech line about it, and they told me just to replace the heater box for a to get rid of the rattle noise. So I'll keep you updated and let me know if this video helped. But I'm almost halfway tearing the car apart, so let's see if I can finish it today, depending on the workload I have. So I'll keep you updated.